Okay, welcome back. This is a continuation of lesson 2-2, looking at some of the problems from the problem set. So we're going to look at some of the easier ones. Well, they're pretty much all pretty easy on here. It's just identifying what's what. So we're going to look at some of the problems in the 3 to 12 section. The descriptions or the instructions for these problems say for problems 3 to 12, state whether the function has a limit as x approaches c. If so, tell what the limit equals. So it's not too hard. Let's just go through a few until you get the idea. So number 3, we have, and it's just a bunch of graphs, so I'm going to do my best to draw them. It has us focusing on c and 3, and there's an open circle there. And our graph does something like this. So at C, remember the open circle means a removable discontinuity. Removable discontinuity means there is a limit. So if we want to write it out, we say the limit as x approaches c of f of x equals 3. Okay, c, 3. So it's pretty simple. Let's take a look at, let's look at number, let's look at number 9, or no, number 7 next. Try to pick out ones that have different stuff going on. So number 7 has another situation where we have an open circle here, line does something like this, filled in circle does something like this. Now, C is right there, 1 and 2. If you remember right, this is called a step discontinuity. And it means we have no limit, at least no limit in the definition that we've been looking at so far. Now, one more. These are pretty simple and straightforward. Let's look at number 11, another unique thing going on. We have, let's see, at C, a vertical asymptote. So our graph is doing something like this. Now, we have not looked at a case like this yet, but this also says there is no limit. Once again, no limit in the way that we are currently looking at them. So that's pretty much all there is to it for those initial problems. You just got to notice that removable discontinuity has a limit. A step discontinuity has no limit, and this situation has no limit. And the rest all pretty much fall into that same category. So that's it for the problem set for lesson 2-2. I'm going to go ahead and start working on lesson 2-3.